Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to merge clips in Shotcut, combining clips, Shotcut tutorial. So as of the moment, there is actually no straightforward process to merge clips in Shotcut, but there is actually a way so that we could go ahead and do so. So as you can see, I've added a clip already in here, and let's add another one to merge it. So we're gonna right click here onto the timeline, and under track operation, we have add video track. Click onto that, or you could use the shortcut key for that one. So once you have added that, we're gonna go ahead and drag and drop the other video or clip that we want to use. So as you can see, we'll automatically add it in here. And once you have successfully done so, we're gonna add a filter first here to go ahead and add in a green screen effect. So we're gonna click on filters, or you could click here onto the upper part, click onto the plus icon, and here onto the search bar, we're gonna go ahead and type in chroma key. So we have different options in here. We're just gonna use simple. And as you can see, we'll automatically go ahead and add in a chroma key feature. But for us to be able to completely remove it, we're going to use its drop down color in here. And we're going to click onto this green part here to go ahead and remove that. And once you have successfully added already the chroma key in there, we're just going to adjust the duration first of the other clip here. And if we do a quick preview, this is now how it should look like. To go ahead and combine both of this, we'll have to export this so that we can combine this onto two clips. So we're gonna click onto the export option here onto the upper part and click onto export file. So choosing the path wherein you want to go ahead and save this, click onto save and click onto continue. Once you have gone ahead and completely exported it, you should be able to find it onto the path wherein you have saved it. So we'll just have to go ahead and paste it back in or drag and drop it here onto the timeline, and you should be able to see both of the videos combined. So let's remove this one out first. So let's drag and drop it in here, and we'll do a quick preview onto our now combined clips. And that is how easy you could go ahead and merge clips in Shotcut, combining clips, Shotcut tutorial. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.